In the field, downtime is not an option. Picture this. A signal issue arises within your interconnect harness, and upon investigation, it's discovered that a single pin is the culprit. Traditional D38999 connector offerings are notoriously difficult to terminate and nearly impossible to repair after final assembly, leading to significant disruptions. However, MACHFORCE provides a convenient solution. Today, we'll showcase how MACHFORCE connectors excel in field repairs, specifically focusing on fixing a single damaged pin using standard tools and industry-standard D22 pins and sockets. So, let's dive in. First, disconnect the mated MACHFORCE connector bodies by pulling the anti-decoupling ring away from the mating connector and unscrewing the connector. The anti-decoupling ring was designed with a larger outer diameter so a technician can easily grip the ring. Now that the connectors are disconnected, loosen the back shell from the connector body. Isopropyl alcohol may be needed as a lubricant to separate back shell and seal. Slide the back shell several inches back on the cables to reveal the seal. Using caution, slide the seal back to give you some room to work. Simply depress the tabs on the sides of each high-speed module or HSM and back out the HSM from the connector body. Remove the plastic insulator from the HSM. You can now inspect all the twisted pairs and locate the damaged pin. Carefully remove all the pins or sockets from the HSM using a scribe or pick, using caution not to damage the surrounding pins or isolator. Loosen the HSM clamp screw to remove the individual cable. Gently remove the contacts and cable from the HSM. Gently untwist the wire pairs and cut off the damaged pin using diagonal or flush cutters discussed in our previous video. Then strip 0.165 inches from the wire using your wire stripping tool. Crimp the new pin or socket onto the wire using a crimping tool and inspect for proper crimp and positioning. After attaching the new pin or socket, retwist the wire pair. And reinsert into the HSM grooves using tweezers if needed. Pull the contacts flush to the face of the HSM and reinstall the outer insulator over the end of the HSM contacts. Align the HSM and the connector body keyway and insert the HSM into the MACHFORCE connector body. Ensure that the HSM is fully inserted and the retaining tabs have snapped into place. If present, reassemble the seal, again using isopropyl alcohol as needed as a lubricant. Then complete the back shell installation. Test it to ensure everything is working properly. Tighten using the appropriate torque wrench and torque to proper specifications. With MACHFORCE connectors, repairing a single damaged pin is simple and efficient, ensuring mission-focused uptime, which allows you to be up and running in a matter of minutes. Thanks for tuning into our MACHFORCE Field Repairability video series. We hope you found this demonstration helpful in understanding how MACHFORCE connectors can keep your operations running smoothly. Stay tuned for more insights and techniques to optimize your connectivity solutions with MACHFORCE connectors.